my channel Chalk and Duster. This is Anis Fatima. We are going to learn Banking Transaction Business Studies Unit 1. The development of any country depends on the efficient banking system of the country, because banking transaction will play a very prominent role in the development of every individual country. Banks advance money to agriculture, industry, trade and all other sections of society, which are the main organs for the development of the country. So here we are going to learn about the banking transaction, characteristics of banks, different types of bank account, how to open a bank account, methods of opening a bank account, advantages of bank account. So let's move towards to meaning and definition of bank. The term bank derived from Italian word banco or French word banque. What is the meaning of banco or banque? It means bench or money exchange table. What is the definition of the word bank? The bench or money exchange table. What is the meaning of bank? A bank is a financial institution which deals with money. A simple meaning. What is the meaning of bank? Banks are the financial institutions which deals with money, receives deposits and make loans. Bank may give many facilities to the customers, to the consumers for their own benefit. This is the general meaning of bank. Types of banks. There are important types of banks are there. First one, central bank or reserve bank. We learned just now about the central bank, RBI, the mother bank, also bankers bank, which will deals with money and they will issue rules, regulation, all the things they will for the remaining banks have to follow the rules issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Commercial bank. These banks will provide loan for commercial purpose. Industrial development banks. These banks will helpful for the development of industrial sector. Land development banks. These banks will provide lend the loan for the development of land. Indigenous bank. Money lenders or sahukars. The banks will be the sahukars, individual person, एक आदमी के पास जाकर जिसके पास बहुत सारे पैसे होते हैं, जो लेंड करता है, पैसे देता है, उसके पास से जब हम जाकर लोन अमाउंट लेते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं इंडिजीनियस बैंक. So this is also a important type of a bank. Cooperative bank. So these are the important types of a bank. So next, types of bank account. See how many important types of bank accounts are there? 4 important bank accounts are there. First one, you have to remember this. Oftenly this question are coming for the examination for 2 marks. How many types of account? Very easy. Saving bank account, current bank account, recurring deposit or RD you can say, term or fixed deposit account. So let's move towards to briefly we are going to learn about all these 4 types of bank accounts. Saving bank. What is the meaning of saving bank? Saving bank will be generally opened in banks by salaried person or by the person who have a fixed regular income, and also the students, senior citizens, pensioners also we can open the bank account. For the common people, for the person who are getting a fixed amount of a salary every month, they can open their account in saving bank account. सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट किन लोगों के लिए है? स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, सैलरी पर्सन्स के लिए, जिनकी महीना तनख्वाह या सैलरी फिक्स सैलरी आती है उन लोगों के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स जो स्कॉलरशिप जिन स्टूडेंट्स को मिलती है वो लोग भी सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट खोलते हैं. So this is a saving bank account. Very easy. Saving bank account is only for the person who are getting the salary, salaried person, senior citizens, for students, and for pensioners. Next, a current account. This current account is for, especially this will open for the businessman. Businessmen will be open this type of account, and in this type of account they will deal with large number of regular transaction. This transaction or the bank account is not for common person, for the businessman. Especially current bank account is specially for the businessman, so who will deal with the large amount of money. So they will open a account in current. Next, a recurring deposit. What is the meaning of recurring deposit? RD. RD, we will save RD accounts. Why will open the RD accounts? Recurring deposit for the purpose of wedding expenses of children, to buy costly items like land, car, etc. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, महीना महीना थोड़े थोड़े पैसे, एक फिक्स अमाउंट जो है बैंक में डिपॉजिट करवाते हैं महीने के हिसाब से. उसका एक टर्म होता है, रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट का एक फिक्स टर्म होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 month, 12 month, 2 years और 3 years, 4 years. उसका एक फिक्स टर्म होता है और हर महीना हम लोगों को एक फिक्स अमाउंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10,000 रुपीज हम रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट में फिक्स अमाउंट कर रहे हैं. तो जब हमारा अकाउंट में 10,000 के हिसाब से 10 month तक जब हमारे पेमेंट जमा हो जाती है रेकरिंग में, तो कितना हुआ, 10,000 के हिसाब से 1,00,000 रुपीज, 1,00,000 ईयरली. उसमें से थोड़ा सा डिपॉजिट, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा परसेंटेज ऐड करके बैंक हमारे को रेकरिंग अमाउंट प्रोवाइड करता है. सो दिस इज द रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट. व्हाई वी विल यूज दिस रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट? फॉर द फ्यूचर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. हमारे जो फ्यूचर के रिक्वायरमेंट्स है हम उसके लिए आरडी यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, टर्म ऑफ फिक्स डिपॉजिट. वी विल लिसन, हर्ड दिस वर्ड एफडी. एफडी, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एफडी? सी, दिस टाइप ऑफ बैंक account will be open for the fixed period by depositing a particular sum of money. The term of the deposit may be a month, 6 months, 1 year, 5 year or 10 year. This is also same like recurring, but for recurring deposit we will use that money for the future requirement. In this something different is there. So here in the FD we can fix the, we can, in the RD what we can do here, monthly basis we can deposit our money in the monthly basis. हम महीना महीना जाकर आरडी में क्या कर सकते हैं, जमा कर सकते हैं. लेकिन एफडी में कैसे है, एफडी में वन टाइम पेमेंट होता है, एक ही बार में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1,00,000 रुपी, 2,00,000 रुपी, 30,000, हाउ मच अमाउंट वी वांटेड टू कीप इन द बैंक, वी हैव टू फिक्स दैट अमाउंट एंड वी हैव टू कीप दैट इज एफडी. व्हाट इज आरडी? आरडी जो है महीना महीना अमाउंट हम लोग लेकर जाके बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन आरडी एंड एफडी. होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस chapter. Procedure to open a bank account. This is very easy. Everyone knows how to open a bank account. Yes, no, yes, we know how to open the bank account, but how to write in the examination? They will ask one by one, sequence wise we have to write in the examination. So that's why let's start. Decide the type of account. First what we have to do, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिसाइड. हम लोगों को फर्स्ट पहले क्या करना है, डिसाइड करना है कि कौन सा बैंक अकाउंट हमारे को ओपन करना है. जस्ट वी लर्न दैट 4 टाइप्स ऑफ बैंक अकाउंट्स आर देयर. फॉर अगर हम लोग बिजनेस करने जा रहे हैं, लार्ज अमाउंट में बिजनेस हमारा है, तो हम कौन सा बैंक अकाउंट सिलेक्ट करेंगे, करंट बैंक अकाउंट. इफ वी आर अ पेंशनियर, अगर हम स्टूडेंट हैं, सैलरीड पर्सन है, तो हम कौन सा बैंक अकाउंट सिलेक्ट करेंगे, सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट. सो I am personally, I will select the saving bank account. First हम क्या करेंगे, saving bank account select करेंगे. First you have to select the bank account. Next, approach the bank of your choice. दूसरा मेथड, दूसरा स्टेप क्या है, हम लोगों को बैंक सिलेक्ट करनी है कि किस बैंक में हमारा बैंक अकाउंट हमारे को ओपन करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, many authorized banks are there, nationalized banks are there, State Bank of India, Karnataka Bank is there, Baroda, Bank of Baroda, many examples are there. So next we have to select the bank. Next, to fill up the bank account form or proposal form. Next, what we have to do? We have to fill a bank account form which was given by the particular bank. Fourth step, give reference for opening your bank account. What is the meaning of reference? What is the reference? कोई भी बैंक में अगर हमारे को हमारा अकाउंट ओपन करना है तो रेफरेंस अकाउंट हमारे को चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जो प्रीवियस अकाउंट होल्डर है बैंक का, उसका सिग्नेचर. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? वी रिक्वायर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द prospective account holder by any of the existing account holder or say some respectable person. किसी भी respectable person और अकाउंट होल्डर जो प्रीवियस अकाउंट होल्डर है उस बैंक का, उसका सिग्नेचर हमारे को चाहिए. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ स्टेप ऑफ ओपनिंग द बैंक अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ वन, सबमिट द बैंक अकाउंट फॉर्म dully field. What you have to do? You have to submit your bank account form with the required documents. For example, PAN is required, Aadhaar card and photographs. These three are very required documents for the opening a bank account. The next one, the officer will be verify your bank account bank account form filled form. So he will verify, checks the thing, what is there, all the things are properly filled or not, documents are there or not, all the things he will verify and he will clarify and he will satisfy. Then he clear that you are now eligible for the opening a bank account. So next, last, initial deposit. After getting the proposal from the cleared, the initial amount is deposited in the bank through challenge. We have to deposit some amount in our bank account. For example, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, that will be depend on the bank. बैंक के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है कि कितने पैसे हमारे अकाउंट में होने चाहिए. थोड़े बैंक 1000, 2000, बहुत सारे 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, it depends on the bank. What is the last thing? Last procedure to open a bank account? We have to deposit some rupees or the amount in the form of challan into our newly started bank account. So this is the system or this is the method procedure to open a bank account. So functions of bank: accepting deposit from public and other, lending money to public, लोगों को लोन प्रोवाइड करना बैंक का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है. दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन. तीसरा इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है ट्रांसफरिंग मनी फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह को, वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी, वन कंट्री से अनदर कंट्री भी हम अपना मनी जो है वो ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं थ्रू आउट द बैंक. सो दिस इज द थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट फैसिलिटी ऑफ बैंक. Collecting money on check, drafts and bills. Discounting of bill, hiring safe deposit lockers. Bank will provide you the safe deposit lockers which is useful to keep our valuable things and also keeping valuable in safe custody. Bank will provide you a lockers जहाँ पे हम अपने valuable things, for example jewelry, many valuable things, documents and all the things we can keep in those in safe deposits. Issuing letters of credit and guarantee. Bank will give guarantee and also conducting government transaction, state and central. So these are the important 10 functions of bank. What are the advantages of opening a bank account? We know the advantages. Just we learned full chapter about the functions, advantages. What are the advantages of opening a bank account? Bank account will be facilitates safe custody of money. Bank account helps in making payment. Bank account helps in collection of money. Bank account will help us to hold the money, lend the money. Bank will very useful to smooth transaction of money. Bank holders get a safe deposit lockers, and also bank account holders can lend the money for their requirements, for example for the purpose of study loan, for the vehicle loan, for the construction of buildings. Many things are there, so many advantages are there. We can write in our own way how many advantages are there for bank opening a bank account. Many advantages are there. See, nowadays no person is there in दुनिया में कोई भी ऐसा इंसान नहीं होगा जिसका बैंक अकाउंट नहीं होगा. So many advantages are there. Without bank account no person is there in this world. So that's why we want the bank account for smooth life. So that's why the bank account is very important, and many advantages are there for opening a bank account. We can write this in our own way. So here we finish. So hope you all are doing well. Be safe, stay at home. Goodbye.